Do you want to add TV programs on Facebook? You can put a TV programs on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add TV programs on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the Interests section. Under Interests, tap on TV programs. Now, a new screen will appear showing different TV programs. Use the search bar to type the name of the TV program. Select the correct TV show from the list. Once selected, tap the Save button. Now, the TV program will appear under the Interests section on your Facebook profile.